Hello, everybody. My name is Paul Erubami. I'm the Managing Director of Max-Migold Limited, the frontliner in facility management, service provision, and facility management education in Africa, and also the President of the Association of Facility Management Practitioners Nigeria. We started a recent series. On Thursdays, we call it the FM Launch Hour, where I come out to share tips on career advancement, on the facility management industry, specific skills and principles of managing properties and facilities, workplace productivity for everyone, health and safety tips, work uh, uh, place management, project management skills, and all other skills required for navigating the built environment and the workplace. You will have time to exchange ideas with me, contribute questions and answer sessions, and also contribute your topics for discussion. Don't miss out on this opportunity to share in great ideas. Uh, Opportunities in the facility management industry is expanding, and we're trying to expose you to all of these opportunities. We also want you to grow in your career, and so we're inviting you to be part of our talent management pool, where we help you get new jobs and help you gain promotions in your current job. And then for those who are in business, you learn tangible tips on how to run your businesses and how to win clients and how to deliver on the service level agreements with your clients. So join me every Thursday by 1 p.m. To 2 p.m. and enjoy these benefits. We are in LinkedIn, we are in Twitter, we are on Instagram, we are in Telegram and WhatsApp. Groups where we can all constantly share information and exchange connections on a day-to-day basis. I look forward to seeing you every Thursday. Make it a date, don't miss it, and get all others will benefit from this to also join and sign up. Thank you very much.